In this video, we're going to be talking about a platform where you'll be doing your assignments. It is called Wiser, and you'll have the link in Schoology. So let's look at some of the examples of some assignments that you might see throughout this year. So for some of these assignments, you will have multiple choice. Some will have matching, such as what we see right here. In order to do the matching, you'll just click one orange dot until you see a little green line with the blue dot come out, and you can just match it to whichever one it goes with. You'll have some sorting where you're looking at, in this case, sort between exponential and logarithmic. You'll take the graph and you will move it to which one you think it is. So here, and then you'll click exponential or logarithmic. You click the graph, and I'm just clicking to click, so don't go off of my answers. This one is a multiple choice. You just click whichever one you think the answer is, and if you change your mind, you can always just click the answer. Like, I was like, oh man, I didn't mean to click C. The answer is B. You can click that. And you'll have some free response where you'll be able to type, says write the range of the function, and you'll be able to type your answer there. Here you have the drawing feature where you have a pencil. You can pick from the color wheel what you want it to be. So draw an exponential function with the range from 3 to infinity. Well, I'm just going to draw a linear function right now. I'll put the dot. If it's linear, I know it has a y-intercept. And we'll do a decreasing slope. And I'll drag it and draw my line. Hopefully your lines come out a little bit better than mine. Again, some multiple choice, some open-ended, and again, another sort where you'll click it and just kind of click wherever you think they go. And let's look at another assignment that might have something different. So for this assignment, it is a biology one, so I know we're math, but that's okay. So sometimes you'll have some videos, whether it's a YouTube or something else embedded. You can just push play, it'll load, and you'll be able to pause and do all kinds of stuff that you normally do. You'll have some that you can just fill in the missing words, and it'll have a word bank. It has the spelling and everything, so you can just type your answer and it'll scratch it out for you. Another matching one, which we talked about earlier. And then have a picture, and you can go. Sometimes they'll have problems that look like matching, but it's actually like check all that apply, and you'll act the same way. And another sorting one. And the last one that you might see will be some blinking lights. If you click it, you'll be able to type your answer here. Again, we have matching, multiple choice, free response, drawing, and all kinds of things like that. So if you have any questions, please reach out to your teachers and they will help you.